Welcome to Learn English Today. I can study for the exam. I can study for the exam. I can revise my lessons. I can revise my lessons. I can memorize words. I can memorize words. I can explain the topic. I can explain the topic. I can listen carefully. I can listen carefully. I can answer correctly. I can answer correctly. I can ask questions. I can ask questions. I can give examples. I can give examples. I can work in a team. I can work in a team. I can lead a team. I can lead a team. I can organize an event. I can organize an event. I can clean the classroom. I can clean the classroom. I can arrange the chairs. I can arrange the chairs. I can write a report. I can write a report. I can prepare a presentation. I can prepare a presentation. I can use the projector. I can use the projector. I can take care of my pet. I can take care of my pet. I can feed my pet. I can feed my pet. I can clean my pet's cage. I can clean my pet's cage. I can train my pet. I can train my pet. I can play with my siblings. I can play with my siblings. I can read bedtime stories. I can read bedtime stories. I can tell a story. I can tell a story. I can draw cartoons. I can draw cartoons. I can paint pictures. I can paint pictures. I can take photographs. I can take photographs. I can edit photos. I can edit photos. I can record a video. I can record a video.